Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we have to go to the task manager. For that, go to the search bar and type your task, and from the search results, click on this. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task. On this window, go for browse button, then select this PC, C drive, and go for Windows folder. Now find out system32 folder and double click on it to open it. Then find out CMD file. You need to just keep scrolling down until we find out the CMD file. You can just press C again and again to get the CMD file quickly. So select it and click on open. Now we need to check this box to create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close all the backgrounds windows and we have to focus on this command prompt window. You need to just type these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in sfc /scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ie frame.dll and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the procedure. Then we will execute the next one, that will be sfc /verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ie frame.dll and hit enter. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Then make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then open any web browser. For example, I will use Google Chrome. Then open it and simply search for download OneDrive. So type here and hit enter. Then from the first link, from the search results, you need to click on the first link. It will be from Microsoft. Then click here, go for download. This will take few seconds to download the setup file. After that, we need to install it and complete the installation process, then log in, and that's it guys. Reset the system, your problem will be solved. You can also check out the pin comment, that will help you a lot to fix this issue for sure. And don't forget to like the video, do subscribe the channel.